Some mornings you don't need a plan. You just need a boat that gives you 3 places to be. The Azimut Fly 68 is that boat. Built in Italy by Azimut Yachts, designed around a simple idea. The more time you spend outside, the better the day gets. 3 outdoor decks, 168-foot hull, 2,000 horsepower behind you, and the carbon fiber topside keeps the weight down, which means the hull responds fast. Push the throttle and you're past 30 knots. Past the harbor mouth before the morning fog burns off. Foredeck sunpad for the long anchor stop. Cockpit terrace aft for drinks as the sun goes. Flybridge up top, helm, lounge, wet bar. 3 decks, and you never run out of places to be. 32 knots gets you there early, and with 336 miles of range, the runback can wait until tomorrow. 4 ensuite cabins below, crew quarters aft. From sunup on the foredeck to dinner in the cockpit with the lights coming on across the water. The Flybridge lounge after that. The IPS pod drives keep the stern clean. No shaft angle, no prop wash under the swim platform. Drop anchor in flat water and the boat just settles. No vibration, no engine noise, just the sound of the sea. That's the whole point of the Azimut Fly 68. 3 decks, 1 boat, and all day to use them. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.